You might not see it, but static electricity is everywhere, and it can quietly wreak havoc on sensitive electronics. In this video, we'll break down how companies have been protecting electronic components with electrostatic discharge materials, and which types of materials are best for dissipating or blocking static energy. Electrostatic discharge materials are designed to prevent the buildup and discharge of static electricity, which can damage sensitive electronic components, disrupt devices, or even ignite flammable substances. These materials function by conducting, dissipating, or blocking electric charges to maintain safe energy levels. They are commonly used in industries such as electronics, automotive, and medical equipment, often in tandem with other performance needs like sealing or thermal management. ESD materials play a crucial role in safeguarding electronic systems from damage caused by static energy buildup. There are three primary types of ESD control materials: conductive, dissipative, and antistatic. Conductive materials such as copper foils, conductive polyimide films, and ESD PET tapes allow electric charges to flow freely and are used primarily for grounding. Dissipative materials like carbon-filled plastics, rubber, and dissipative versions of copper and polyimide slow the flow of charges, reducing the risk of sudden discharge. Antistatic materials such as specially treated plastics, graphene, and stainless steel hinder the buildup of static electricity on surfaces, although they're generally less effective in highly sensitive electronics compared to the other two types. ESD materials can be sourced directly from the manufacturer if the quantity is high enough, or through online distributors or converters depending on the volume and customization needs. Distributors typically supply smaller quantities in standard forms, while converters like Strouse specialize in larger orders and can custom die-cut ESD materials into specific shapes and configurations to meet unique project requirements. For tailored solutions involving ESD protection alongside other performance goals, working with a converter ensures both proper material selection and precise manufacturing. If you want to find out more about how a converter can help you in your process, feel free to visit our Learning Center, which has more videos and articles on these topics, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.